If you're moving to Austin, Texas, this video is going to tell you what the locals wish you knew about living in this city. After watching, you'll hopefully feel a little more at home, understand those Texans a bit better, and appreciate its uniqueness. When you make a big move, it can be comforting to find things that are similar to where you came from, or to wish that your new place was just more like the old one. But it's also important to be open to new experiences and cultural differences so you can broaden your life experience. My name is Lori Engel. I'm a realtor in Austin. I think it's such a special place, full of quirkiness, southern hospitality, music that feeds the spirit, amazing food, and so much more. I like to make videos that share those things. Be sure to like and subscribe if that's what you're interested in. Okay, so one thing the local Austinites would like you to know when you move here is this is the South. You move to the South, honey. And in the South, manners matter, and so does hospitality. So despite what the rest of the country thinks, we still say yes ma'am, no sir, please, and thank you. It's actually a sign of respect, and we kindly ask that you don't try to change that or take offense. Y'all are welcome here, and we appreciate you. Next, if you're going to get around in this city, you have to know that we have slang terms for most places in Austin. If you find yourself having a conversation and trying to figure out just where that place is that everyone else is talking about, I'll decode a few of them for you now. Let's start with Dirty Sixth. Actually, we usually just say dirty. This is the party area of 6th Street downtown with cheap shots, college kids, tourists, and sticky streets. Next is West 6th. So this is also on 6th Street downtown, but where the locals go to get an overpriced drink so they can wander around without all the tourists and the college kids. Okay, next is the Drag. This is the area on the University of Texas off Guadalupe where students hang out. Then there's SoCo. This is slang for the South Congress neighborhood on South Congress Street. It's home to lots of original, iconic Austin spots and some of my favorite restaurants like Güero's Taco Bar and Home Slice Pizza. And there's Mopac. Okay, this is a roadway. It's actually officially called Loop 1, and your nav app is going to call it that. But everyone in this city calls it Mopac. Why Mopac? Because it's the highway that runs along the Missouri Pacific Railroad tracks. Missouri Pacific, Mopac. So I can keep going, but this would get way too long. So you'll have to pick up the rest of those slang terms on your own. I'd love to know in the comments if this helps you to feel a little more at home here in Austin. And if you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And you might also be interested in my next video, what celebrities live in Austin, just so you'll know who your neighbors are.